What's good, Wiltsey Wildcats? Welcome to our 6th grade Semester 2 Awards Assembly. Welcome, guys. We're glad to have you guys here with us. This very last assembly, hopefully be the last virtual assembly, but I've been thankful to be able to share these moments with you in this virtual format. With us, we do have our administration, Miss Tuttle right over here, Miss Kabasi right over here on this side, Miss Perales, our mentor Zalugo right down here, Miss Messon, our coach way over there, Mr. Sipple, Mr. Joplin. Wow, Will. How's it going, Wow, Will? Rocking the tie-dye. We are rocking tie-dye. Puebla tried looking for tie-dye. He could not find tie-dye anywhere. So do not blame Mr. Puebla, but it's in spirit. It was a spirit. Guys, we're going to get going on these awards, and we have a lot to read off, right? We have Student of the Month, and then we also have to have, we're going to touch on Honor Roll, Principal's Honor Roll for a Semester 2 awards as well, too, guys. So we got a lot of names to read off, all right? So we're going to get started. Let's get going here with Semester 2 awards. Remember, we have 5 categories that we're going to address. Outstanding Wildcat, Most Improved Wildcat, Wildcat Character, Elective Excellence, and Sportsmanship. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with our first category, Outstanding Wildcat for the month of April. This is April. For Outstanding Wildcat, Rayan Chiari for Language Arts, Sierra Cox for History, Math, Melanie Rios Sierras, and Adeline Fabian for Science. Congratulations, guys. Outstanding Wildcats for the month of April. Get my bullhorn too. All right, here we go. Up next, we have, for Most Improved Wildcat, we have Hugo Ramirez, Language Arts, History, Nevaeh Lawrence, Vincent Ursua for Math, and Marisol Hernandez for Science. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Let's move on to Wildcat Character. Remember, this is the person, the individual that encompasses what it is to be a Wildcat here at Wiltsey, right? Just overall great student. Language Arts, Bastian Diaz McKinney, Anthony Nunez for History, Math, Yasleen Sotomayor, and Science, Alexander Villanueva. Congratulations. Good job, guys. Wildcat Character. Awesomeness. And Elective Excellence, we have Luis Macias. Rocking his elective. Good job, Luis Macias. And we do have, I believe, a Sportsmanship Excellence, Yaretsi Rodriguez Saray. Good job, Yaretsi. Solid work there with your sportsmanship qualities. Guys, what we're going to do is now take a quick minute to rewind and recap all our winners. We've had Students of the Month for January, February, March, and April. So we're going to go ahead and show everyone's awesome name and recap those names for you guys because there were a ton of winners here. So let's go ahead and read through these names for you guys. Starting for Outstanding Wildcats, Ramiro Sendeja Rodriguez, Brianna Ramos, Ruben Alvarez, Valeria Mora Casillas for January. And for February, Evan Ovalle, Aaron Rodriguez, Matthew Hernandez, Mariah Mota for February. For March, Caitlin Lopez, Natalie Alarcon, Diana Hernandez, Andrew Gonzalez for March. And April, as mentioned, Rayan Chiari, Sierra Cox, Melanie Rios Sierras, and Adeline Fabian. Those were all our outstanding Wildcats. And then we do have, for Most Improved throughout the entire Semester 2, Elio Jimenez, Tiffany Adams, Christine Santos Lopez, Luis Ibarra for January. For February, Eli Aldaz, Ricky Castañeda, Tierra Cox, Arisbeth Santos Gonzalez. And March, Fernando Hernandez, Darian Fowler, Travis Garcia, Naya Anderson Rivers for March. Good job. And for April, Hugo Ramirez, Nevaeh Lawrence, Vincent Ursua, and Marisol Hernandez. Good job there, guys. And then lastly here, we do have Wildcat Character, Jacqueline Dueñas, Ada Rios, Bastian Diaz McKinney, Mariah Martinez for January. And then for February, we have Alexander Flores Hernandez, Melanie Rios Sierras, Juliet Lucero, Elizabeth Hernandez Pina. And March, Christopher Velez, Brianna De La Peña, Valerie Garcia Ruiz, Mateo Lopez. And April, Bastian Diaz McKinney, Anthony Nunez, Jaslyn Sotomayor, and Alexander Villanueva. Good job, guys. Good job. And then lastly here, we do have elective excellence. I hear the bullhorn. Julio Torres Carrera, Jimena Gallegos, Gabriela Perez, Anderson Jimenez, Brooklyn Morris, Sol Castillo, Aiden Gutierrez, Luis Macias, and Sportsmanship, Ray Nunez, Melanie Rios Sierra, Sol Castillo, Brady Falcastre, Dallas Jones, Eliza Hu, Jorge Rodriguez, Ramiro Sendeja Rodriguez. Good job, guys. Those were a ton of names. A lot of winners, right? Awesome. Solid work, guys, throughout this entire semester. We're super proud of you for all your accomplishments in between those months. Guys, we're over now into the honor roll category. This is going to be for students that rock honor roll for semester 2 based on your semester 2 final grades. And so this means that you primarily got B's and A's, or A's mostly, but a few B's, maybe a C here or there, but 3.5 to 3.99 GPA. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready to read off honor roll recipients? All right, let's go ahead, let's do this. So honor roll recipients for 6th grade: Daisy Alvarez, Ruben Alvarez, Naya Anderson Rivers, Ricky Castañeda, Kevin Chambers, Alden Flores, Alexander Flores Hernandez, Travis Garcia, Helio Jimenez, Dallas Jones, Rayan Chiari. Congratulations on this page.
Solid work. Good job.
Let's move on to our next page. We have pages. Pages. This is a good thing. Nevaeh Lawrence, Emmanuel Leonardo, Crystal Lopez, Juliet Lucero, Jimena Marquez, Martin Martinez, Brooklyn Morris, Jacqueline Ortiz, Gabriela Perez, Samantha Perez. Good job, guys. Guys, we're not done. We got more. This is insane. Let's keep going. Aiden Ramirez, Hugo Ramirez, Ada Rios, Aaron Rodriguez, Jorge Rodriguez, Yaretsi Rodriguez Sarai, a lot of Rodriguez's there, Daniela Salgado, Christine Santos Lopez, Fernanda Solis Roa, and Diana Vidal. Congratulations. That was a mouthful. Congratulations. Ton of honor roll students. You should be proud of yourselves. Guys, and now we do have semester 2 awards assembly. This is for principals honor roll, guys. These are students that rock the semester 2 grades with straight A's during these unprecedented times, guys. That blows me away.
Blows Mr. Puebla away.
This is insane. You guys ready to read off principals honor roll? Yeah, we are. Let's do this. Okay, principals honor roll, straight A's. Natalie Alarcon, Ramiro Sendejas Rodriguez, Jacqueline Dueñas, Adeline Fabian, Faith Franco, Andrew Gonzalez, Diana Hernandez, Matthew Hernandez, Eliza Hu, Brianna Jacobs, Caitlin Lopez, Jasmine Luna, Mariah Martinez, Ray Nunez, Kevin Ovalle, Jasmine Peredia Mendoza, Brianna Ramos, Melanie Rios Sierra. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, guys. Solid work. Principals honor roll recipients. You guys should be super proud of yourselves again for accomplishing what you did during these, again, unprecedented times. I'm just super proud of you for that. Guys, do we have an attendance incentive drawing that we need to take care of right now? Yeah, of course. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Guys, we're gonna raffle off some pizza to finish off this year. We're gonna get you guys ready for that beach mentality. We're gonna get you hooked up with some pizza from our wonderful administration. We'll be delivering some pizza for you guys. We do have some 10 recipients that we'll show off right now in terms of who won this beautiful award. So let's go ahead and actually let me give you guys a quick raffle here of the names. I got Jacqueline Dueñas Rocha, first recipient. Melanie Rios Sierra. Who else we got here? We have Heaven Ovalle receiving a pizza. Congratulations, Melanie. And we have Maya Vivaldo receiving a pizza as well. Congratulations. Who else we got? Jaylene Ramos receiving a pizza. Good job. Jose Bravo receiving a pizza. I believe Jose's 6th grade. Good job, Jose. Amira Stewart. Congratulations. And these are all mixed grade levels, guys, so you may not recognize the names. All mixed grade levels. We had all the names put into the same pot. Irlanda Valenzuela Ledesma. Beautiful name. Congratulations for being on time and everyday present to your school. I totally missed the name right now, but we do have 10 recipients, I promise. And I'll show you those names right now. We got them right here. Jacqueline, again, Melanie Rios, Heaven Ovalle, Maya Vivaldo, Jaylene Ramos, Jose Bravo, Myra Stewart, Camille Robles, Irlanda Valenzuela, and Edwin Larios. Congratulations, guys. Expect your beautiful carb-free pizza delivered pretty soon, right? So congratulations, guys, to you. for showing up on time again during these difficult times. We know you tried your best, and we appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to show up to school on time every day, ready to learn. Those of you that got Student of the Month, you'll be receiving these in the mail, certificate, Student of the Month, along with a Student of the Month Wiltsey Middle School window clean. So you'll get that in the mail. Congratulations to you. And then if you got Principal's Honor Roll or Honor Roll, you'll also be getting a certificate and then also a dog tag too mailed out to you, so you can display your awesomeness around your neck. So good job with you guys there. And I think that is about it. Miss Tuttle, did you want any parting words here for our 6th grade class?
I am just so proud of all of you. You have done a fabulous job this year, especially given the circumstances. And you did so wonderful this year. I can't wait to see what we do if we're in person next year. So everyone have an amazing summer and stay reading and stay safe. And we'll see you next school year.
Awesomeness. Thank you so much, Miss Tuttle. Guys, we love you. Thank you so much. It has been a pleasure sharing these moments with you virtually. Hopefully we're able to do this in person next year. And congratulations to all of our winners. Make sure you follow us too if you want updates on our beautiful gym being built up there and just anything else school related as well too. Guys, thank you so much. We'll see you later.